Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is PMS Social Studies Grade 7 lecture number 5 question answers of chapter number 2 climatic regions of the Muslim world. You will write question answer of unit number 2 in your rough notebooks. Question number 1. Describe why the monsoons are important for South and Southeast Asia. I once again repeat the question. Describe why the monsoons are important for South and Southeast Asia. Its answer is monsoons are important for South and Southeast Asia because they bring heavy rainfall which is beneficial for growing crops. Also, the places which receive rain from the monsoons have thick, rich vegetation. I once again repeat the answer. Monsoons are important for South and Southeast Asia because they bring heavy rainfall, which is beneficial for growing crops. Also, the places which receive rain from the monsoons have thick, rich vegetation. Question number 2. How Pakistan how is Pakistan affected by the monsoons? How is Pakistan affected by the monsoons? Its answer is Pakistan gets its monsoon rains from the winds that come from the southeast. Pakistan gets its monsoon rains from the winds that come from the southeast. These winds reach Pakistan after crossing India. These winds reach Pakistan after crossing India, where they have already shed much of the rain. Where they have already shed much of the rain. Only the north of the country gets real monsoon rainfall. Only the north of the country gets real monsoon rainfall. Question number 3. List the advantages and disadvantages of tropical forest and rainforest. List the advantages and disadvantages of tropical forest and rainforest. Answer. Advantages and disadvantages of tropical forest and rainforest. First, you will give heading in capital letter of advantages. Forests supply timber. What is meant by timber? Timber is a wood prepared for use in building and carpentry, especially valuable hardwoods. Point number first, I once again repeat, forests supply timber, especially valuable hardwoods. Second point, renew the atmosphere by providing much needed oxygen. Renew the atmosphere by providing much needed oxygen. Protect the soil from the erosion. What is mean by soil erosion? Displacement of upper layer of soil by water or wind is called soil erosion. I once again repeat the second point. Renew the atmosphere by providing much needed oxygen. Protect the soil from the erosion. Unknown species of plants and trees are being discovered, especially in Amazon rainforest. Unknown species of plants and trees are being discovered, especially in the Amazon rainforest. Second point is some of these may provide valuable medical drugs. the cinchona tree. This is a kind of tree used in medicines. Was discovered here, which is the original source of quinine. What is quinine? Quinine is the famous anti-malarial drug. I once again repeat this point. Some of these may provide valuable medical drugs. The cinchona tree was discovered here, which is the original source of quinine, the famous anti-malarial drug. Next point is forests are home to a variety of flora. What is flora? The plants of a particular region. And fauna. What is fauna? The animals of a particular region that would become extinct. Extinct meaning extinct meaning is having no living members if their habitat was destroyed. Look at this point. Forests are home to a variety of flora and fauna that would become extinct if their habitat was destroyed. Disadvantages. Forests are unhealthy because of the heat and humidity. They engender engender mean cause diseases such as malaria, and when cleared for crops, the soil, which is of limited fertility, is soon exhausted. Exhausted mean very tired, and more areas have to be filled. I once again repeat this point. Forests are unhealthy because of the heat and humidity. They engender diseases such as malaria, and when cleared for crops, the soil, which is of limited fertility, is soon exhausted, and more areas have to be filled. Question number 4. What are the benefits for countries that have temperate grassland? How does this climate affect their production? What are the benefits for countries that have temperate grassland? How does this climate affect their production? Answer. Countries that have temperate grasslands are excellent for rearing of animals, especially livestock. Countries that have temperate grasslands are excellent for rearing of animals, especially livestock. Next point is the climate. Here is suitable for cereal crop. What are cereal crops? Grain using for crops, for example, wheat and maize. And with irrigation. What is meant by irrigation? A system of supplying water to promote the growth of crops. A wide variety of other plants and fruits can be grown. The climate here is suitable for cereal crops, and with irrigation, a wide variety of other plants and fruits can be grown. Question number 5. Compare the kinds of climatic conditions you find in Pakistan and Indonesia. There is comparison between the climatic condition of Pakistan and Indonesia. Answer. Pakistan has a wide variety of climatic regions. What are its climatic regions? Like hot and cold deserts, scrub and semi-desert, monsoon vegetation and humidity. The vegetation found in Pakistan is more wide ranging. Pakistan has a wide variety of climatic regions: hot and cold desert, scrub and semi-desert, monsoon vegetation and humidity. The vegetation found in Pakistan is more wide ranging. Indonesia has a tropical monsoon climate. The vegetation in Indonesia is dense. Dense means crowded and thick, and perennial. Perennial means living for several years, typical of the monsoon regions. Indonesia has a tropical monsoon climate. The vegetation in Indonesia is dense and perennial, typical of the monsoon regions. Note your homework. Write all these question answers in your rough notebook.